Okay, now learn about the Git installation. We need to install Git software on our machine to do all the local work related to Git. Like if you are going to use Git, you have to install the Git software. Okay, so let's visit gitscm.org. Okay, git-scm.org. This is the website where you can visit and download Git. I am on Windows machine, that's why it's giving me download for Windows. If you are using Mac, it will give you the option to download Mac. Okay, just click on it and it will take you another page where you are going to decide which version you are going to download, 64-bit or 32-bit, which version. So I have a 64-bit machine. Usually we have 64-bit machine nowadays, so click on 64-bit. Okay, I already have downloaded, so let me show this to you. And okay, let me just put it over here. So this is the Git software which is downloaded in my Windows downloads, and let's install it. So here we are. I'm going to click on run. It is asking me for Windows allow Windows permission, user access control, and I just click on yes, and you can see it is giving me a installation window. Click on next. First directory, I am selecting the default one or keeping the default one, which is C, program files, Git. Then would like to, I already installed a directory, that's why it's giving me this option. But if you are installing it for the first time, it will not give you. So I'm going to using the same folder. Not going to change anything over here because it's going to install. If you need any additional icons on desktop, some other settings, just keep it pretty simple. Next, Git will be used for the Git. Default editor, I'm not going to change it. So let's vim default, let's get design, initial branch. Keep it simple. Recommended option, this one is selected from the command line, third-party software. Okay, recommended bundle, OpenSSH, correct. Use OpenSSL library for secure socket layer. Click next. Check out Windows style. That is up to you, but I am going to keep it right now because I am on Windows machine. So it will automatically managing the Windows line feed with the Linux line feed when the conversion will be happening. That's fine. Using the default terminal, use min-tty, default fast forward and merge. That's fine. Credential helper, we are going to install it. Okay, enable file system caching. This will be helpful for speed and efficiency. Okay, and just click install and it will going to install on your machine. Okay, once it is done, click on launch Git bash and it will launch the Git bash environment, okay, which is over here right now.